Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum Internet not working, modem and router lights full troubleshooting. To fix your Spectrum Internet when it is not working, first power cycle your equipment by unplugging both the modem and router from power, waiting 60 seconds, plugging the modem back in first, and then plugging in the router after the modem lights stabilize. First, Spectrum modem lights. Solid blue slash online. Your modem is fully connected to the Spectrum network. Blinking blue slash white. The modem is attempting to establish a connection or download a firmware update. Give it up to 10 minutes to stabilize. Solid red. Critical signal failure. The modem cannot establish a connection with the network. Second, Spectrum router lights. Solid blue, the router is online and broadcasting a working internet connection. Blinking blue, the router is booting up, pairing a WPS device or attempting to connect. Blinking red, critical error. The router is physically connected to the modem but is not receiving an internet signal from it. Solid red, hardware fault or total connectivity timeout. Fix 1. Check for local outages. Before adjusting hardware, check for local service disruption using mobile data on the My Spectrum app or by visiting the official Spectrum support page. Click Check Outage button. You will be redirected to chat box and select appropriate option to know the status. If an outage is active, you must wait for Spectrum technicians to restore service. Fix 2. Inspect physical cable connections. Coaxial cable. Ensure the heavy round coaxial cable is screwed tightly into both the wall outlet and the back of the modem. Avoid using unnecessary cable splitters which severely degrade signal strength. Ethernet cable. Verify that the Ethernet cable connects the yellow Ethernet WAN port of the router directly to the single Ethernet port on the back of the modem. Ensure it is clicked firmly into place. Fix 3. Clear localized device error. Forget Wi-Fi network. If your device reads connected no internet, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, select forget network, and reconnect by typing your password again. This clears corrupt authentication data. Isolate Wi-Fi vs network. Connect a laptop or computer directly to the modem's Ethernet port using a cable. If the wired connection works, your internet signal is fine, and your router's wireless configuration is the issue. Fix 4. Perform a factory reset. If the router continues to blink red, perform a hard factory reset. Use a paperclip or pen to press and hold the resist reset button on the back of the router for 10 to 15 seconds. Note that this reverts your Wi-Fi name and password back to default credentials printed on the equipment sticker. Fix 5. Contact customer support. If none of these steps resolve the issue and your modem status light remains red or continues blinking indefinitely, contact Spectrum support if your equipment needs manual MAC address activation or if a line technician is required to fix an external physical line break. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.